Hi, welcome to our new online banking. Before you enroll into our new online banking, please update your mobile phone number and email address to ensure a smoother transition when our upgrade goes into effect. So, let's get started. You will need your 2 to 6 digit member number, social security number, and date of birth to enroll. If you do not know your member number, you can call or send us a secure message to request it. Once complete, click Continue. On the next page, you'll create a username. Make sure it is at least 6 characters, at least 1 letter, at least 1 number, and no special characters. For your password, make sure it is at least 8 characters, at least 1 uppercase letter, at least 1 lowercase letter, at least 1 number, and at least 1 special character. Agree to the terms and conditions, and click here if you'd like to enroll in e-statements. After you complete the CAPTCHA, click Submit. A verification code will be sent to your email or phone via text message. Again, this is why it's important to update your contact information because you will need it to complete enrollment. So you'll enter the verification code right here, and when you're done, select Submit. That's it, you've finished enrolling to our new online banking. We hope you enjoy our new online banking. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.